Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So guys, today as you can see, my hair is all prepped and ready for braiding, and Santa came early this year. I already received a sack from Hotbraids, yes, with some goodies. Two, three, four, 5 bundles, guys. This is 5 bundles of their Afro Kinky bulk hair, color number 130, which is giving me all the holiday vibes ever. I love that reddish copper color, and it is actually 22 inches in length. And so let's get installing, guys. So the first thing I do is split my hair into two, and then I place the braiding hair on top of my hair, and I start to roll one side of my hair in one direction and the other in another. Then I start to overlap and do the twist. These twists are very, very firm and tight, so you want to make sure that you are twisting them likewise. So the ends of the hair, they look so natural, guys. I am just trimming off those stragglers at the end and adding a little bit of leave-in conditioner, making sure that it has a nice natural finish at the end. So I'm not twisting it all the way. I'm just twirling the ends in my fingers and it will look very, very natural. All right, so this is how it's looking. I love the color. And yeah, moving on to the next one. The next braid, I am doing the same thing. This is the piece of hair. This is the size hair that I use. Split my hair into half and then lay the hair against my hair and start to twirl. And the key is to twirl in opposite direction. So if your right hand is going in the right direction, make sure that the opposite hand is being twisted in the opposite direction. Once it's firm enough, then I overlap and start my twisting process, making sure that it is nice and firm and tight. Yes, so it doesn't slip. All right. And a lot of people prefer to do the method where they braid the roots a little bit and then twist. That is also an option, but I wanted that knotless look for today's look. It is a little bit more difficult to do this method than the braiding method, in my opinion. But yeah, I feel like it looks more natural this way. And this is how it's looking so far. Yes, I am loving it already. So let's go into a more up close and personal detail. We are in the front and I am going ahead adding some braiding product. Then I'm taking my hair. All right, and we're gonna just lay it aside, split my hair in half, lay it on top of each piece of that hair, twist one in one direction and the other in the other direction. I'm not giving you guys the direction because everybody's twist will be different depending on which is your more comfortable hand or what dominant hand you use. So once you do one in one direction and one in the opposite direction, you are good to go. And then we are going to just continue to twist going down. Yeah. And make sure that you're rolling the hair as you overlap it in order to get that nice tight rope-like twist. All right, so we're doing that twirl at the end. Love that, guys. This is how we are looking so far. Uh-huh. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. All right, so let me go again for reinforcement. Again, separating and starting to twist in one direction with one hand, opposite direction with the other, and just start to overlap with your twist. And that's pretty much how you do a rope twist or a Senegalese twist. And just a little bit about the hair. Let me tell you guys, when I tell you that this hair, first of all, it's 100% human hair. And when I tell you that this hair operates exactly like natural hair, it feels exactly like natural hair. It's giving blown out natural hair vibes and tangle-free natural hair vibes. So it's easy to work with. You do not have any unnecessary matting or tangling going on when you're working with the hair. The hair is soft. The hair is absolutely lightweight, which is something that I absolutely adore and look forward to because heavy styles are not my thing. And as you guys might notice, shorter styles are my go-to. And so when the hair is lightweight, it is a plus for me. So guys, we are all done and I'm just trimming the ends. I love that somewhat bob look that the hairstyle has, and I wanted one side to be longer than the other. That's just my thing for that angular bob look. And I'm doing that shed test. There's absolutely nothing coming out when I pull on the hair. It is just amazing. So I'm using a hot towel now just to smooth the hair down. I do not want to dip it in hot water, even though I could, but I wanted it to maintain its original volume and everything. And those nice curls at the end are what literally got me. I love, love, love it. I'm just adding some leave-in conditioner to the ends just to activate those curls a little bit more. And look at that. And some mousse, of course, just to smooth any flyaways and to help to, soften those twists. Over time, they will get much softer, but just for that initial softening, I'm using some mousse. And guys, pretty much this is the end result, guys. This is how the hair turned out. And we did have a half bundle remaining, so I used 4.5 for this look. And yeah, look at this girl. Isn't she lovely? All right, isn't the hair lovely? This number 130 here is amazing. All the links to the hair will be left down below, and a discount code also for you guys, so that you guys can enjoy the benefits of shopping from this company. Yeah, absolutely love the outcome. But before we go, of course, we have to show you some styling options. So of course, these are very simple looks. You don't need to have any specialized skills. I'm just doing a simple half up, half down, which in my opinion is one of the cutest but simplest styles. And just wrapping one of the twists around to hide that hair tie. And yeah, look at that. Not very, very difficult to achieve, but still very cute. And if you want the hair to be off of your face, this is one of the most perfect way because you still have some hair hanging down also. Yeah. So this is the first look that I wanted to show you guys. And we are going to move on to a little bit of a modification. Yes, so we're turning that ponytail into a bun. And that is just simply by wrapping it around itself and just using two or so, not ponytail, two or so bobby pins to secure them. And this is another look. Just as easy, just as simple, just as cute. Come on now. And you guys can see how nice and full the back of the hair is, which is something that's also very important. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so now on to our next style, guys. And this, if you know me any at all, you would know that this is my all-time favorite go-to style with any hairdo at all. I love to do a high bun, and a messy high bun is even better. So that's what I'm trying to achieve with this look. I love the fact that the bun itself looks deeper in color than the base of the bun. It's kind of giving me an ombre look, and I love that. So guys, this is one that you can wear casually or you can dress it up. So transitioning is easy. The natural texture of this hair gives me so much versatility, and the fact that it is so reminiscent of my natural hair texture is a plus. Yeah, a win-win. Come on now. All right, so now we are going to go into the final look. Yes, and this is by no means last but not least. So we're sectioning off a little section in the front. And for the back portion, I am just going to gather the hair together to make another high bun. So going for my trusty hair tie and securing that hair in place. And the hair that is loose, I'm going to just go ahead and twist it for a loose 2-strand twist, which I'm going to be actually wrapping around and pinning down for another bun. This time it's a messy bun. And in the front, I'm just doing a Danish swirl type of vibe and just pinning them in place. And of course, guys, you already know I told you before, bobby pin is your best friend for any of these styles. Any type of updo, you just need a hair tie and some bobby pins and you are good to go. So again, hot braids, you aced this one with this Afro Kinky bulk hair, 22 inches, color number 130, which again is so very holiday appropriate. And of the 5 packs, I did use 4.5 packs. You could make these twists smaller if you wanted to, or bigger as you desire. But guys, this is what I wanted to showcase for today. This is today's look. Yes, thank you to Hot Braids for these amazing packs of hair. And guys, the links down below will lead you to the hair itself. And be sure to pay attention to the discount code so that you can get the discounts if you so choose to purchase. Once again, thanks for popping into my channel. If you are a viewer and not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of the Natural Hair Dynamics gang. We do post every Wednesday and Saturday, so you don't want to miss out on any of that, as well as you can catch up on the videos in the back. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you on my next one. Take care. Bye.